Okay, here we are at the Avava lot, the West End, Papaku Ranchlands. Beautiful ocean view lot, Papaku Beach. It is a corner lot. So you got Kalua Road right there, running, and then in the back you've got Avava Road running down this direction. There is a water meter. It is buildable. You can see this rock wall that was probably just pushed along when the neighbor's house was developed. It's a nice, gentle, sloping lot. Kayako Rock is right in front across the way, so it's a very short walk to Third Hole Beach, maybe a 10-minute walk. Beautiful lot. You could have a gorgeous home here with panoramic views. Oahu in the distance. A little cloudy today, but it's a beautiful view of Oahu as well. Call with any questions. Aloha.